You want to play Xbox games on your PC? In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Xbox app on Windows in less than 2 minutes. The Xbox app lets you access Game Pass, chat with friends, and download games directly to your PC. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu and search for the Microsoft Store. Open it. In the search bar, type Xbox app and press Enter. Click on the official Xbox app from Microsoft, then hit the Install button. The app will download and install automatically. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once installed, click Open or launch it from the Start menu. Sign in using your Microsoft account to start using all features like Game Pass and Friends List. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Xbox app on your Windows PC. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials.